Alright. Hello everyone. I'm the Daily Rider, and today you're taking a ride with me on US 23 in Ohio. People tell me it's illegal to ride on 23. I don't think so, because I've only been pulled over twice, and I passed dozens of cops on the way over here. Makes me have no idea or any reason to believe that, see, there's a cop right there. No reason to believe. No reason to believe I'm getting pulled over. Although it is sometimes scary, because cars really do fly by you on this road. This is going to be a little shorter video, just because I don't have a lot of space on my GoPro, and my phone is pretty slow. It's a little retarded, so we can't really upload videos that fast. So, shout out to the Homans. They're a family that have helped me a lot in my life. I appreciate it. And the things... Oh, jeez! Woo! Okay, see, that's what I mean. Alright, so the things they have done, they have gone the extra mile, and then some, and I really appreciate it, because it helps me out, because my life kind of sucks. So, let's do a little wheelie. Tap this button. Alright. Well, they've helped me out a lot. And, anyways, back to the video. We're just... Jeez, that guy's flying. I'm just waiting for the light to turn green so I can cross the intersection here. I'm just, you know, sometimes on my rides I just get a little bored. So there's a cop right there. Hello. Oh my gosh, there's a dude in a wheelchair in the middle of the road. Oh jeez, I'm not sure if you can see that, but that's not safe. Just gonna do a little wheelie here and then a turn around at the bottom of the hill. Like that. That's a nice Corvette right over there. We're just riding in between these cars and the road. Now, what I'm doing is probably, you know, not the most legal thing you can do, but it's that's interesting. No, well, basically, lately what's been going on in my life, not a lot. I started an online school, and well, gee, it freaking sucks. It's like I've spent 4 hours every single day on a stupid computer doing the math. And A, my little retarded brain can't handle that. B, would you want to spend 4 hours of your day on a computer when you can spend it riding out in the wilderness? Not even the wilderness, my bad. Riding out on your local highways. That's right, kids. Always be sure to ride on the highways. No, I'm only riding on this road because it's just my only way home and the only way into Delaware. Sorry if I sound a little out of breath. There's a huge, huge hill I gotta cover, so I'm just trying to pick up speed. Right now I'm going 14 miles an hour. jeez. I can't. This wind is not a tailwind. It's a headwind. Oh, it was a giant. It was a giant screw. That would have been bad. The headwind, so you know, it's really difficult. Well, I'm just putting along up on the highway. Let's hope that my phone can handle, let's hope that my phone can handle me uploading this video to YouTube. Still going 14 up the hill. I lost it. I can't do it anymore. I give up. What was that? 2 of them. Alright. So, another thing, I've recently been thinking about doing a 1x10 Shimano SLX drivetrain switch. I currently run SRAM X5 shifter, X5 derailleur, and I think a SP cassette made by SRAM. I honestly can't remember, but I'm thinking about it. This guy's offering it to me for $100. I think I'm gonna take it, because SLX is a step up from what I have, although I'm gonna miss the push type thing. It has a trigger and then a push. That was really gross. Dead animals on the side of the road. Pick up your varmint, jeez. Alright, keep going up this hill. I'm keeping a steady pace of about 9 miles an hour. It's really hard. I'm downshifted, it's too much. I usually have my speaker and my Gatorade, and I do, but on climbs like this, not even Gatorade's gonna help you. That was a nice truck. And there's another cop. What do you know? And, here's the thing, right? So, people call in all the time, like, saying, hey, that's a Shelby. Hey, there's a person riding their bike up 23, you know? And when they get the call, they're like, oh, it's a kid on a red bike with a full face helmet. Well, you know who that kid is. Well, that kid's me. And, yeah, I ride on the highways because it's my only way back. Anyways, thanks for joining me today. It was a short ride. I didn't start it till I was like halfway into, you know, my neighborhood, but, ooh, a lot of work. It's really hot outside. No, I got places to go, lawns to mow, and you guys probably do too. So, peace out to you guys. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to grow this channel. I would just like a little YouTube channel. I don't ask for something big. Just something I can upload on. That's it. Thanks for riding with me today, guys. And I'll see you later.